Okay, so this is a new customer of mine, and we can see there's a lot of air getting in to the pump. Now, the air that's getting in here is either going to be from the O-ring on the lid, it could be dirty or it could need to be replaced, or this union has an O-ring in it. But the easiest way to tell where this air is getting in is to watch it when you turn off your pump. Okay, so I'm going to shut the pump off and we're going to look real closely. And we see that drip right there. So right there is the problem. This is dry over here. So this is either going to be a dirty O-ring or the O-ring needs to be replaced. And as we can tell, if you can get a good look at that, the O-ring is kind of flattened. So that's going to be, the O-ring is going to need to be replaced. Anytime it looks like that, it's not going to get a good seal. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next videos.